हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग करने जा रहे हैं न्यू चैप्टर नंबर 9। जैसे कि हम लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर। हाँ, डब्ल्यू कार्बंकल। हाँ, मुझे टाइम लग गया, सॉरी सॉरी। हाँ, द ब्लू कार्बंकल हम लोग आज करने जा रहे हैं। और चैप्टर नंबर 9 लास्ट चैप्टर था, अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स, जिसमें एक लड़की थी। और आप अगर जानना चाहते हैं तो मैंने उस वीडियो की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दिया, वहां से भी जाके उस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं। वो सब में लास्ट टू लास्ट वीडियो थी, फिर भी डाल दूंगा मैं। तो चैप्टर नंबर 9 द ब्लू कार बंकल, और इसके राइटर है सर ऑथर कॉनन डोले। This is an abridged version of the Blue Carbuncle by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle। हाँ, तो इस सेंटेंस का ये मतलब है, हाँ मुझे पता है, बाकी नहीं समझा पाऊंगा, पर इस सेंटेंस का ये मतलब है कि जो पूरा चैप्टर है ना, ये इसमें ये पूरा मीन्स जहाँ अपना ये पूरा चैप्टर है ना, तो जो असली पोएट ने जो लिखा था ना, वो उस ये वाला चैप्टर उससे ज़रा कम और उससे ज़रा एडिटेड है। तो एवरेज मतलब वही होता है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। I had called upon my friend Sherlock Holmes। जरा सा चैप्टर जरा सा इंटरेस्टिंग हो गया, शेरलॉक होम्स। ओके, ऑल्सो अगर आपके पास मीन्स एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा, शेरलॉक होम्स के जो मीन्स एवतार हैं जो मूवी में है, वो और कौन सी मूवी है? वो बहुत फेमस मूवी हुई है, फिर भी आप बताइए। मैं आपको जरा सा हिंट दे देता हूँ, वो उनका नाम उनका मीन्स लास्ट नेम स्टार्क है, तो बाकी का आप पता कर लेना। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। I had called upon my friend Sherlock Holmes on the second morning after Christmas with the intention of wishing him compliments of the season. He was lunging upon the sofa in purple dressing gown. Beside the sofa was a wooden chair, and on the angle of the back, young, very seedy and disappointingly hard felt hat, much the worse for wear and cracked in several places. A lens and a pair of forceps lying up upon the seat of the chair suggested that the hat had been suspended। वो एन है, हाँ वो अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक में कुछ गड़बड़ है। Suspended in the manner for the purpose of exam, this is E, also examining in this manner for the purpose of examination. Sorry, it was examination. You are engaged, said I. Perhaps I interpreted you. Not at all. I am glad to have a friend with whom I can discuss my results. This matter is a perfectly trivial one। ट्राइवियल हम लोगों ने एक और चैप्टर से भी सुना है, और वो चैप्टर इसी ईयर का था। और वो मीन्स आप उसको फाइंड करने की कोशिश करना कि कौन सा चैप्टर था, उसके लिए आपको पूरा देखना पड़ेगा। फिर भी मेरा है तो वॉच टाइम बढ़ेगा, फिर भी आप भी जा पढ़ लोगे। ट्राइबल एक और चैप्टर में भी था जो मैं इस चैनल पे कवर कर चुका हूँ, आप उसको फाइंड करना और कमेंट में बताना कौन सा है वो चैप्टर, उसका आप डाल देना वो टाइटल। हाँ, ट्राइबल वन। द फैक्ट्स आर दीज, about 4 o'clock on Christmas morning, Peterson and conversation was returning home from Tottenham Court Road. In front of him, he saw a tallish man walking with a slight stagger and carrying with a slight stagger and carrying a white goose slung over his shoulder. As he reached the con- corner of the goods street, a row broke out between the strangers and the little knocked off rough Peterson rushed forward to protect the wood the it's the sorry for drawing. And this is stranger for his assistance. But the man, seeing an official in uniform drop his goose, took took to his heels and vanished. Aid the labyrinth of small streets, the rough also fled on. Peterson was left in possession of his battered hat and most unimpeachable Christmas goose, which 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 surely he restored to their owner. My dear fellow, sorry, my dear fellow, there lies the problem. It's E. It's E. There lies the problem. It is true that for Miss Henry Baker was printed upon a small card which was tied to the bird's left leg, and it is also true that the intits HB are legible upon the lining of the hat. Its hat. Yeah, maybe it's hat only, but there are some hundreds. It's hundreds. It's hundred of Henry Bakers in a city of us of earth. What then did Peterson do? He brought both the hats and goose to me on Christmas morning and took the goose back while I retained the hat of the unknown gentleman who lost his Christmas dinner. Then what clue do you have as this is his identity? Only as much as we can deduce. And and here is the word meaning of tribal commissariat, not of rough assistance, battered, and the word battered right here is means damaged or aged and used, but it is only in this chapter it means damaged by age and use. In normal grammar it means another thing because it is even written here like here. So means in this chapter battered means this staggers and unteachable. Let's continue. So guys, today we will do till here study. Okay, let's do. But you are joking. What can you gather from this old battered felt that the man was highly intellectual. This word also has come in a chapter. Please try to find that chapter's title. Is one of a course obvious upon the face of it, and also that he was fairly well to do within the last 3 years, although he it's E, although he has now fallen upon evil days. How did you deduce that this man was intellectual? For answer, Holmes. Holmes means that Sherlock Holmes. Holmes clapped the hat upon his head. It settled upon the bridge of his nose. It is a question of a cubic capacity. A man with so large a brain must have something in it, he said. So guys, for today we are done, and we will continue our next video until next month. And I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can just comment in the chat box. Sorry, you can just comment in the comment section, and please make sure to like and subscribe this video. I know you won't share, so just like and subscribe. Bye. Sorry for the drawing.